So here is how to create a link with QR code. For this, I'll be using this website right here, which is qrcodegenerator.com. And once you're in the website, this is what it will look like. Here, you can see options like website, digital business card, text, Wi-Fi, PDF, and App Store. And this is where you need to put in the link that you want to turn into a QR code. So as an example, I'll type in something like google.com. And as you can see, it instantly generated a QR code on the right. You can also select different frames from the options on the bottom. Then you can select the logo option to choose from the options or upload your own logo. You can also customize the color and shape of your QR code. Once you're done, you can click on the drop-down right beside the download option to choose how you want to download it. Then, just click on the download option and the QR code will be downloaded onto your device. You can then just scan it and you'll be redirected to the website link. And that's it. That is how to link with QR code.